What is up, unboxing gang? Today we are unboxing a multi-plug. Yes, I know. A multi-plug! I do not get excited about power strips, so I bought the Maxline ML-804 for around $7. Why? Because I was absolutely tired of fighting with wall socket pins and having 17 cables going everywhere, like a disaster zone. Alright, so I grabbed the box, then I opened it, upside down, like a normal person, flipped it around, and inside the multi-plug was in perfect condition with a warranty card sitting right there looking official. Now the build quality, guys, this thing feels premium for $7. The plastic is solid, the cable is thick and heavy duty at 2 meters long, and there is even a little mobile holder on it, which is actually super handy. Small detail, but I loved it. Now specs real quick. 3 AC sockets, 4 USB ports, supports PD 3.0 and QC 3.0 fast charging, charges up to 7 devices at once, surge protection, child safety cover, and handles up to 2,500 watts, all for $7. I plugged it in and everything worked perfectly first try. Looked clean, felt premium, charged fast. Honestly, this is one of the best $7 purchases I have made. If your setup is a cable nightmare, go get this. Drop a like, and I will see you in the next one.